Question number 1. First Indian to climb Mount Everest. Answer. Avtar Singh Cheema, 20th May 1965. Number 2. First Indian to climb the Mount Everest without oxygen. Answer. Phu Dorji, 1984. Number 3. First Indian to go into space. Answer. Rakesh Sharma, 2nd April 1984. Number 4. First person to reach the North Pole. Answer. Jagannathan Srinivasa Raghavan. Number 5. First person to reach the South Pole. Answer. Colonel Jatinder Kumar Bajaj, 23rd April 1985. Number 6. First person to fly in air balloon and land in parachute. Answer. Ramchandra Chatterjee. Number 7. First Indian to reach Antarctica. Answer. L.T. Ramcharan. Number 8. First Indian space tourist. Answer. Santosh George. Number 9. First Indian pilot. Answer. J.R.D. Tata, 1929. Number 10. First Indian to cross English Channel. Answer. Mihir Sen, 1958. Thank you for watching the video.